morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Finally got some okay weather. It's gonna rain later here in Jersey, but I figure today would be a good opportunity to make a video about my updated mod list for 2026. I'm pretty happy with where the car's at currently. I don't really have any other plans in the near future, but never say never, because when I get bored, I just start buying shit. So we're just on the way to this park near me. We're gonna make this a quick video just to show you guys what the car is currently capable of and what it's running. And if you guys have any questions about your own setups, I absolutely love this car. I put so much time, effort, and money into it to get it to this point, and for the first time in probably 2 years, I'm at a point where there's really not much else that I want to do. There's only a handful of things. I hope the camera picks up how loud that T51R is. It's super loud. I think it's a love it or hate it kind of mod. You know, when I was watching videos on it, I kind of thought, ooh, I feel like I might get annoyed about it, and it might get too loud and obnoxious, which I think if you were to daily the car, I think that would definitely be the case. I mean, I dailied it with it for maybe like half a year, and I mean, I loved it. I still love it. Can't complain. But then I got an E46 330 for a daily, and now this car is just basically my fun car, and I just take it out on the weekends and or whenever the weather's nice. Okay. It's pretty wet out today, so I can't really rip on it. It's not really going to be a good POV video if I can't do any watt pulls. So just a nice chill cruise. Yesterday was the first time I took the car out in, I want to say like a month and a half, because over December it was just way too cold and I'm on PS4s, so it's just not a good combo. But it is nice to, you know, move the fluids around. I just did an oil change. You know, get some heat in the engine. I feel like that's good for it. All right, so this is my 2008 335i, 6-speed. It's a 2008, so it's an 8-bolt. But I guess we'll just start with cosmetics. So as you can tell, the car is wrapped. It's not purple from factory. It's actually this, I think it's the space gray color. I'm not too sure, but the paint's pretty cooked underneath. It's just not even worth repainting or keep taking off the wrap, so I'll just rewrap it again. As you can see, we're sitting on TE37s. For the front end, we have BAV Group A LCI style headlights, I believe. I'm not too sure, I forget. Obviously, we got an M3 rep bumper with a GT4 lip to fit it correctly. I got single slat carbon fiber kidney grills. I got the M3 side skirt extensions with the carbon fiber side skirts. Moving to the back, I'm running an M-Tech rear bumper with just some carbon side splats and then a carbon diffuser. I think it's just from eBay. Carbon fiber trunk. The fitment's not bad. It's all right. But it came with the car when I bought it, so that was one of the selling points why I got it. I used to run clear taillights, but I think with the new wrap, it kind of looks better with the regular red LCI lights. I guess what else for cosmetic? Just little carbon shark fin. The roof's black. Oh, we got carbon mirror caps, you know, the go-tos for every single non-M owner. I'm guilty. Side reflectors black. I think that's pretty much it for cosmetics. So I want to get into suspension now. I'm running the Bilstein B16 coilovers. And for the front, I'm running M3 control arms and a E93 M3 front sway bar. And if we move towards the back, can't really show you anything, but I'm running the Seems Legit one-piece drive shaft with an E92 M3 DCT diff and the M3 axles. And that's what I just did over the winter. So that's the very new mod that I've just done. For rear suspension, I'm running all three, I think it's 2 M3 upper and lower control arms. I'm running billet trailing arms. I'm running adjustable Megan Racing toe arms and camber arms. Rear bushings, I'm doing white line rear subframe bushings with the white line diff bushings. They're all poly. And yeah, that's stock motor mounts, which I'm in the future thinking about doing. I don't know about solid, but maybe if I can find a good poly, I'll do that. Suspension, stock rear sway. I thought that's something I was gonna do since I have the M3 rear end, but honestly, the car handles insane with the LSD, and I really don't see a need to do that. Plus, you have to drop the subframe again, and that's just like a whole nother headache I don't want to do. For brakes, I'm running, for the front rears, I'm running StopTech front and rear rotors with the StopTech stainless steel lines. And for pads, I'm running Hawk 5.0. I don't think they're ceramic, but they're like the track pads or whatever. They're really expensive ones. I'm running a stud conversion kit from Keys Motorsport, I think. And then I forget the lugs, but they were expensive. That's all I know. Okay, that's I think that sums up the suspension. If I can think of anything else, I guess we'll move on to the interior. Arguably my favorite part of the car. Came with all black. Originally, it came with the non-sports seats, so I was able to source those for some guy on Marketplace. I got the M door sills, and so I put the sports seats in. I got carbon fiber trim all throughout. I got the carbon fiber here with Alcantara. This is also a cover. I got the RTD billet shifter with the carbon. and performance steering wheel. I got these gauges from Vinoxy. It's pretty simple to replace. Blue stop button. That's pretty much it. But the carbon here is one of my favorite pieces that I've added. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior. I am running the ultimate clutch pedal that replaces the stock plastic clutch pedal. So the shifts are a lot smoother, the throw is a lot shorter, and this is made out of all metal, and it just makes it super, super nice. All right, now getting into what everybody is probably waiting for. To start off, I'm running an X-Clutch twin disc organic. It's my second clutch. The first one, same clutch, ran 30K miles, ran beautifully, no issues. I just had to replace the trans, so I just decided to replace it. For the kit, I'm running a Dock Race single top mount with the 6466 Precision Gen 2. And I also had a custom bung welded for single bank fueling. And I haven't blown O2 since I put the kit on. And got this nice turbo guard here, VTT oil cap, Nelson Racing carbon fiber duct. Got these carbon eyelet covers. I got BMP manifold with 750cc injectors, all controlled by motive reflex. Plus, running flex fuel around 26 psi. Should be like 650 on full E. Not running full E right now, but tuned with CD919, and yeah, I mean, I've had like 10 or 12 revisions, and it's been saucy for sure. What else? I got the Mosselman billet thermostat with the Blackline Performance oil filter cap. Running just a standard VRSF 7.5 stepped intercooler. Then we move over here, VRSF charge pipe, standard. Turbo Smart blow-off valve. I had the tile, it was nice. It was just a little quieter for what I wanted. I have the VTT billet power steering reservoir that I had to custom make lines for so it would route correctly. Turner Motorsport coolant reservoir. M3 strut brace with the Dynon carbon fiber braces. M3 cowl that I made myself with a Dremel. And I am running a Mallow Industries crank guard seal. And then also, I think it's a Euro power steering pulley that's aluminum. If you guys are wondering, I am running just a standard plastic valve cover. I thought about upgrading to M18 or VTT, but from what I've read, like, stock is fine, and I haven't had any warping issues on mine and no leaks. And plus, it was recently released. I mean, I recently did it before I did the single, so it should be good for a minute. I am running a BMS catch can, just a standard vent to atmosphere. You guys are probably wondering where all that vacuum line stuff is. I was able to reroute that too. So I tucked all my wires back over here, so it just looks way cleaner, it's way more serviceable. It just looks great. But yeah, am I forgetting anything? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me start it up for you guys. For the low pressure fuel pump, I'm running a Stage 3 Precision Raceworks Dual 450s with a Hobb switch. That's right here. And stock fuel pressure regulator. And then also I have to run the upgraded lines from Precision Raceworks that go from the low pressure all the way to the front so that I can run full E. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's my 2026 mod list, and I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but if I do, then it'll be in the next video, the next update video. Oh, sorry, for tires, I'm running Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the rear and front, 265/35, 18 in the rear, 245/35, 18 in the front. I don't remember the spec for the wheels, but they are 18 by 10.5 in the rear, plus like 24 or something like that. And then in the front, it's 18 by 9.5 plus 22. It's M3 spec, so whatever those TEs are, that's what it is. Yeah, am I forgetting anything else? Oh, sorry, yeah, that's, I think that sums up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot on Instagram. I just got a Ghost Mount Insta360, so hoping to make more content here soon. Hopefully it gets warm. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.